We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make.
My name is Eloy, and I'm your host.
Hello, I am JP. I'm drinking from my Mancrafting mug.
It's funny because I also have a Mancrafting mug. Dude, I don't want to stop you, but I have to say that was going to be my next question, and so let me ask it.
Okay, ask it.
And so, dude, the Mancrafting name, where did that come from?
Okay, so I'd already kind of started that, but
I know.
Our wives were in the other room. We were in the dining room with tumblers all over the dining room table. We had a Cricut vinyl cutter, and we're there cutting out vinyl with people's names and company logos and such. And they looked over at us and they said, "Look at our boys over there. They're so cute doing their arts and crafts." We were like, "Wait a second, we're sandblasting. These aren't just arts and crafts. This is manly arts and crafts." And then, we coined the term. I think Andy said it first. Mancrafting. We're mancrafting. Just took the idea of arts and crafts and being men. And so it was kind of a joke in the moment. And the next day, or as I slept on it, I thought, that's a great name. I need to do something with that. So I immediately, trademarked it and had a logo made.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Soft, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Mancrafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.